Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to solve or how to fix Facebook video lag. To know how to fix or how to solve Facebook video lag, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Facebook and you will enter. Then in this page you will go down to click force stop. After that you will enter here storage and then you will click clear cache. After that you will go to click clear data, and when you will end this all you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.